Hi everyone. So today I will teach you how to do a tram road. So here we go. So just put that and put a train track there and another 1-lane road and just wait them to finish or finish now, like that. If you want to extend it, do it like this. Do it the tree one. Ignore those sounds. That's my dogs. There we go. That's what it looks like. Ignore those sounds. So yeah. So if you want to build an intersection in the tram looking thing, do this. Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? And train crossing there. Wait, wrong thing. There we go. There we go. Let's just wait for these things to finish. Turbo. Okay. My puppy's name is Turbo and my dog's name is Blue. Okay. Like this. If you want it more detailed, do this, that. Okay, ignore that. Wait, what now? I'm not gonna ignore that. Put it there. So that's it. And now add some buildings like this. Okay. I did to my sandbox city right now. Look at this. This is my sandbox map, And this is if you want to make a intersection, a big intersection, just do this. So there's 4 lanes. What? 4 roads connected to each other. If you want to do a big intersection, just use tram roads. Wait, what the fruit? Just use train crossings. Yep. And add some traffic lights. This is a fake car. This white car over there is fake. Yeah. So this is what I did to my city. But not this one. It's useless. Oh yeah. So that's it for today, guys. Subscribe for more videos. I'll fix the tiny town part series 1 tomorrow, I guess. Okay, bye bye.